Vehicle assembly videos are going viral right now on social media. And I'm not just talking about cars. You can also create videos featuring airplanes, motorcycles, and many other types of vehicles using this exact same style. In fact, you can build an entire YouTube channel around this content alone, with every single video focused on vehicle assembly. And the best part is, you won't need to constantly change your content strategy because this type of content is incredibly satisfying to watch and keeps viewers engaged all the way to the end. So, if you're looking for a unique and exciting niche to start with, I highly recommend this one, without thinking twice. First, we're going to open this prompt, then copy it and head over to ChatGPT, where we'll paste the prompt and send it. ChatGPT will then suggest a variety of different video ideas for us. You can choose any idea you like, and if none of them catch your attention, simply send another message asking for more ideas. I'm going to choose this one. Once we're finished, we'll have this video prompt ready to use. I'll click the copy button, and now, to create the video, we're going to use Google Flow. We'll click on New Project, then wait for the page to fully load. Make sure you select these settings exactly as you see them on the screen. Don't change anything. Once everything is ready, we'll paste the prompt right here and click Generate. And there we have it. This is the final video. Let's create another one. This time, I'm going to choose this idea. Then I'll click Copy right here, head back to Google Flow, paste the prompt into this box, and click Generate. And here's the final result. Now, let's create one last video. Let's go with this one. I'll copy the video prompt, return to Google Flow, paste the prompt right here, and then click Generate. And this is the result. As you can see, the entire process is incredibly easy, and the videos look absolutely professional. You can now start creating your own channel around this niche and potentially generate tons and tons of views. So, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. See you in the next one, my friends. Bye-bye.